shivers down your spine.
Hey guys, it's me Molly and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to film another video for my hashtag World of October 2019, and this video is going to be different than what I have done before. Today I'm going to show you how to make an aesthetic fall background for your phone, which I think is going to be super awesome to watch and interesting. So if you want to know how to make an aesthetic, cute fall background for your phone for this upcoming fall, be sure to continue watching. So the first things first we're going to have to do is obviously look up something, but I'm not going to look it up on my phone. I'm going to look it up on my computer so y'all will get to see that. So let's go over here to our Google, and we are going to look up, well, there's a couple things I want to look up, so I'm going to let this load and then I'll look it up and you can see that. This one looks really good for a leaf falling off a tree because it's like zoomed in right in the leaf, and I think it's super cute, so I'm going to keep that in mind. You can see when you first look up, there's a whole, I searched aesthetic fall, and you can see that there's a whole bunch of like little leaves, trees, but I have seen this before, and I have seen this image right here that around my mouse. So I'll open that in a new tab. And I've seen this pumpkin one, which is really cute, and I really like that one as well. So I think these are the three images I have to deal with. This one is like the top of the trees, this one is a leaf falling from a tree, and this one is just pumpkins. So I'm going to screenshot these, and then I'm going to take it into my editing software, and I'm going to show you what I do. So I'm going to save this image. So save, and let's take it to pictures. We're gonna create, and we'll name it, and we'll name this one pumpkins. So I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna keep the tab opened, go to the next one, and do what I just did. For this one has a black border. So we're going to try maybe not to get it in because we just want the image and we won't want a black outline on our phone. So we're just going to see how there is, oh wait, right, don't save. See how there's a black part? So there's this button up here, it's where you can crop it, so I can move it down just a tad so the black part isn't in it. So see how that looks neater and just the black part won't be there. So yeah. After you're done with this, I have this editor. It's called Movavi Video Suite 17. I use it to edit a whole bunch of things. This is how I make my intros, how I edit my videos, and it's just very handy to use, and I love to use this software because it's just good for me. So while we are waiting for the background to load, I have a question for you. What type of videos should I start to film for fall? Do y'all have any suggestions you would like to see? If so, please comment down below. It will help so much for my channel. So let's just continue with the background since it's loaded. So I'm going to turn off my webcam so everybody can see what I'm doing. Okay, so this is what the software looks like for right now. So we're going to click on Add Media Files, and this is where our images are going to be. So if we go to this PC, and then click Pictures, and then there's our folder, and then we could add all three of them. So we're going to add just one right now. We'll add the leaf falling because that's the first one there. So we're going to click Open, and there it will be. And it can be as long or as short as you want because it's just a picture. So we're just going to make it that long because it will just turn out as an image. So right now, if we click play, it will just the image. Nothing will move. So for the fall background, you could add text. You could make different fonts. It's called the simple text on Movavi Video Editor. So you click add to current position, and here it is. And on the text, you can change the font to anything you want. See, look, that's pretty cute. So we'll just have this for right now. We could say like fall time is my time. So see how I did spaces? So now we could put like is on the leaf. So it would still fit the phone, because if you just trimmed it down this way, then it would fit. So this is the font for an example, but we can change the font if we want to. So I'm going to go through and find some fonts, and then I'll choose the color later. Okay guys, I think I found the right font I like. I really like this one, but I'm just going to have to move the the text, so it fits how I want it to fit. So if I wanted to, we could have each word a different color or each letter a different color, but let's try them all black and see what that looks like right now. So you cannot see the fall time is my time. What if we do fall time? Could be like an orangey. That's a pretty cute, but it's too light, I think. So we'll probably have to make that a bit darker. I feel like how you can barely see some of it. So I'm just going to go through and I'll tell you if I find one. So this is the one I found. Since this one is a lighter one and this color is a lighter one, I don't think the is should be black, because black does not complement lighter colors. See, is, we could do, yeah, I think this is pretty cute, and I could look around in some other stuff to see if I have anything else, but I'm pretty sure I don't. Ooh, we could add a filter. See, look how it made it like cuter than it was before. Yeah. Oh, these are the filters. Oh, I was on transitions. I'm sorry guys, these are the filters. We can have autumn leaves. Like, look, there's autumn leaves. But the sad thing is, it's a video, so it won't be able to be a background if we make it like this. So let's have a look-see. Stop looking through the filters and focus on the video. Stop! Ooh, that's really cute. I really like this. This is Editor Molly here. Whatever Molly is doing on the screen, please do not pay attention to what she is doing. This is the harder way to get the image. Instead, you would just screenshot it like we did earlier in the video. So just don't do what she's doing, well, what I'm doing right now. Just screenshot it when you have it in the right position you like it, instead of going through all this trouble like I had to do. I'm just trying to make it easier for you guys. And I'll speed up the next couple ones I do, and then I'll show you the finished products when I'm done. Can't wait for y'all to see all this. It's going to look so cool, and I hope y'all can get some ideas, and I'll be sure to link the image below, and I could put it somewhere, so if I figure it out, it'll be in my description box, but let's just speed up the rest. So as you saw in the last clip, I just finished all of my wallpapers, and I made 3 in total. I hope you guys like these, so I'm going to show you them on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This is not an Apple product, so if you have an Apple, I'm sorry, not really, but I'll show you on this. This is how big the screen is. I don't know if this matters, but so I added them all as my lock screen. So my first one is the fall time is my time. You can't really see the time, as you can see, so I won't think this is the best, unless on my phone we can change the time color. So if I did change the time color, so I'm going to do that real quick. So I changed the time color, now it's orange, and I think you can see it a whole lot better. You can tell that it's 4:58, Wednesday, October 2nd, and you can see the fall time is my time. So that is number 1. Okay, let's see, number 2 is the leaves are falling down one. You can't really read falling down, but I like how you can barely read it, because it really does look like it's part of the leaves and they're falling down, so it looks like just, and I don't think orange is the best color for this picture, but we can always change it and see what it looks like, but I'm not going to change it. but you can see how it looked on my phone. And last but not least, I think is my favorite one. The pumpkin patch one. It's so cute. And you can barely read the time, so I'm gonna change it real quick because I think I'm gonna keep my wallpapers that sugar wallpaper. Oh, it's so cute. So you could tell what this is. And I want you to vote in the information card which one was your favorite, 1, 2, or 3. And tell me if you are going to use any of them and if I inspired you to make a new wallpaper or anything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Mwah.
Scary skeletons and shivers down your